YouTube gang. This is your girl, Lady Sag 7, back again. The hair install, guys. I have it in. I am so excited. I love this hair. I have been wearing this for a week now. I meant to come back a little sooner before you can see it fresh out of the pack, but I do have the video where I actually took it fresh out of the pack and they have the curl. Right now, you see a little bit of the curl pattern on here, but immediately when I spray the water on there, the hair just like it comes back to life. But I actually do like the state it is, and it's very, very full. This is a 360 wig, so it's laced all the way around. 360 is all in the back. I had it glued down earlier because I was wearing it to work, but it lifted up because I didn't have it secure like I got around here secure. But it did come like pre-plucked a little bit, and it tried to make it like a natural hairline when I got it, but I went on and did some myself for it. But as I see, I have a few little baby hairs on here, and well, let's just get into it here. And I'm gonna start. I usually spray and comb it. I did get shedding with the hair, but who wouldn't get shedding with curly hair, you know? It's not as much, but I would prefer to put water on it to damp it because it's gonna break. So even with natural hair, there's you natural girls out there, so am I. When you comb your hair, it's best to put water on it, a moisturizer. I also did put a curling product on it. I did it in the middle of the week. I'm not going to do it in this video. Curl product I use, I think it's Cream of Nature. I think that's Cream of Nature, if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'll put it in the link down below. But yeah, let me go ahead and spray it a little bit so you guys could see. I hope the light, I see my face very well, but the hair is not showing up like I want it to. I guess because it could be the lighting back there. As you can see, can y'all see the curl pattern? Yeah. Look at that, the curl pattern. Can y'all see it? Yes, you see it? Yes. I love this hair. I got it from Aliexpress, you guys. Just want to let you guys know I love Aliexpress. Compared to, I made a video before and I did Best Lace Wig. I'm not knocking Best Lace Wig, but that hair knotted up so bad. I mean, I even caught myself cutting it into a bob and the back just stayed getting knotted up. I was like, what is wrong with this hair? But I like it, you know, I like curly hair. I'm not usually a curly hair girl because the straight hair is better, but I like the curly hair. So please excuse my background if you hear anything. It's my brother, he's playing a game. So, yeah, the curls come back. The hair is very pretty. Let's keep sprucing it. As you can see, the ends, after you comb through it without touching, it comes back to life, baby. You have no problem. Worry about that. This wig is amazing. Trust me, I will be buying another one. And the only reason why, because I know I do take care of my wigs, but I just don't want it to, like, hey, what, you know, one thing about Aliexpress, them vendors, when you got a good vendor, it's like, okay, keep that good vendor. But they'll eventually either stop. You can't find a vendor sometimes. Because I had a good vendor when I had a short wig from them. And it was gorgeous. I love that short wig. And I tell you, a lot of people be like, oh, what kind of hair is that? And I wear it, I change up and take it off the next time. Oh my God, what kind of hair? Because I would straighten it out. And then I could just put water on it and then go right back into its natural state. They were like, oh my God, that is so pretty. It's like, oh, it looks so natural, look like yours. And I told them, no, it's a wig. So, and I don't know what that vendor is at. I've been looking for, you know, because my mom also interested in one of her own. Oh, look at those curls. Look at. Also, to the ends, need more treatment. I guess because they're, you know, it just needs special treatment compared to, you know, the rest of it. But I try to finger comb. Like I said, you will get shading with this, but it's so much of hair that they probably won't do anything. Like I got a little shed just here. Let me spray the other side, guys. Do y'all see those curls? Yes, those curls are popping. I got this unit from Aliexpress. Purchased this with my own money. Sometimes it's kind of like hard to find a really nice unit and where to get the hair from. Look at their hair. It is gorgeous. Product in there. It wasn't for to get the curl. Trust me, it wasn't for that. But I just did it just to see how the pattern would do. Because, you know, with curly hair, I was like, you know, I have some curl activator. But I wanted to see how the curl pattern would do. Like, would it curl up more? And it gave it a little bit more of a curl compared to, but, you know, it still held longer. You know, I guess it's saying like when you dry, you can still keep, you know, your curl going or whatever. But trust me, when I sprayed the water on there before I even put the little cream of nature, I did moisturize it too, because I try to make sure it's moisture. It's some soft hair, but I just try to make sure the ends and everything. You know, you're supposed to take care of lace wig, full lace wig, or however wig, the way you take care of your own hair. Because if you don't take care of it, you know, you're going to be like, oh, there's some bad hair. Throw away. Sometimes you can get some bad hair, but you still have to know how you take care of your hair. This is my best unit yet. First, when I got the unit, I thought the unit was a little too tight for my head. Actually, the unit fit just right. And it hit the corner right on. It's not like it's too much. Like, I have gotten units where the cap been too large, and it's like, okay, I got to kind of cut this lace. I got to do that. This one, the only thing I had to do is just cut the lace off around. Now, I'm not saying, you know, my head is kind of small anyway. So if my head is kind of small, so therefore, if your head feel that it's kind of large, I would say maybe ask for a large cap. That's a medium, like that's a normal size. And I'm like, okay, if somebody's head is bigger than mine, that is not going to be good. So, but it's up to you. You know, you go in there and you talk, you know, they respond back quickly. But I said I will be purchasing another one. I hope they still be there around Black Friday, because that's when I probably will be purchasing. I hope they have a little sale. But I really, really love this unit. It's pretty. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. I want you to like, press that button, subscribe to my channel. You know, if you already haven't been a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Any questions and comments, you can put them down below. Trust me, I will respond back to them. Just let me know. Just comment down below, guys. And thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And I'm out.